How to clear cache in Null's Brawl. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to clear cache in Null's Brawl. Clearing cache in Null's Brawl is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Setting. Go to the Setting app on your Android device. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and select App or Application. The wording may be different based on your device. Find Null's Brawl. In the list of installed app, locate and tap on Null's Brawl, or you can search it in the search bar. Go to Storage and Cache. Tap on Storage or Storage Cache. It's located right here. Then tap on Clear Cache. You will see option for Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without affecting your game data. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can clear cache in Null's Brawl. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.